Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to change your handle to recess handle. Okay, so for example here I'm using kitchen cabinet customize function. Okay, to change the handle you can click on the floor or your wall first. Right click, all handle, replace. Okay, so for slab recess handle, you can go on this category. Click on it, and then here you have the recess model handle. Okay, so let's say I click on this one, just double click on it, so you will have the recess handle. Okay, another method is where you can use the handle from the model library. Okay, some of the model library we have the recess handle as well. Okay, so let's say you click to this one. Okay, just double click on it. So your handle will be replaced by the new model, which is the recess handle. Okay, so to have the recess handle, you can use in the category where you can find it in model library or the club library. But for the club library, you can click on the slab door recess handle. Right, so that is all from me. Thank you.